નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hello kids, welcome back in our part 2. Now let's have a quick recall on part 1. Right? Recall यानी कि हम एक बार जल्दी से याद कर लेते हैं पार्ट 1 में हमने क्या पढ़ा था. नाउ व्हाट डिड पूनम सी, हमने इस बारे में ये सब कुछ पढ़ा था कि पूनम घर पे थी. राइट? पूनम वॉज एट होम. वाई पूनम वॉज एट होम? बिकॉज शी इज सिक एंड शी वॉन्ट्स टू गो टू स्कूल. राइट? एंड मम्मा उसकी क्या बोलती है कि नहीं नहीं, यू जस्ट हैव ग्रेट स्लीप, टेक अ रेस्ट एंड लाई डाउन ऑन द कोट. देन वॉट हैपन? पूनम वेंट आउटसाइड, शी टेक अ रेस्ट ऑन द कोट. सडनली क्या होता है, कुछ कुछ गिरता है उसके ऊपर. राइट? समथिंग फेल ऑन हर फेस. और अचानक ही ऐसे गिरने से क्या होता है, पूनम शी जस्ट गेट woke up at once and she touch her face and she feels, oh my god, someone has done mischief. Right? और वो कौन था? मे बी इट इज क्रो और अ pigeon. राइट? तो ये होता है जब वो रेस्ट करती है बाहर. देन हमने ये पिक्चर के बारे में पढ़ा था. राइट? कि ये पिक्चर है, एक पेड़ है, एक ट्री है, and there are many animals and birds in this tree. Right? You have identified over here that which birds and animals are there in the picture. Then we have learned about the name of the bird which you have seen. I hope everybody has done this activity. Right? If you have not done, then at the end of the chapter I will provide you the answer key for this. Let's have a recall on this section. Then what happens? After wiping out her face, her cheek, she feels that still something sticky is there in her face, and that's why she decides to go near to the pond and wash her face. Then what happens? She sees over here many animals are there. Right? Now we have done this portion also. Which animal did Poonam see at the pond? This you have to think, see the picture, and then you have to write. I hope everybody has done this one. If you have not done, then at the end of the lesson, I will give you the answer key for this. Then what we have done? This one. Can you act like the animal seen at the pond? सो यू हैव टू एक्ट, यानी कि उसकी तरह आपको एक्शन करनी है. राइट? एनिमल की तरह जो आपको पॉन्ड के पास दिखाई दिए गए थे. एंड वॉट काइंड ऑफ साउंड्स एंड मूवमेंट्स दीज एनिमल्स मेक, यानी कि ये जो पिक्चर में दिखाए गए थे एनिमल्स, ये कैसी आवाज़ करते हैं, कैसे चलते हैं, कैसे मूवमेंट करते हैं, वो आपको एक्ट करना है. एक्ट यानी कि ऐसे बिहेव करना है. राइट? और हमने ऐसे भी देखा था कि डिफरेंट एनिमल्स मूव इन डिफरेंट वेज, यानी कि अलग अलग तरह के एनिमल्स अलग अलग तरह से चलते हैं. सम एनिमल्स वॉक, सम क्रोल, सम फ्लाई, सम एनिमल्स स्विम एंड सम एनिमल्स हॉप. हमने ये टेबल भी किया था. राइट? थिंक एंड राइट वाला, हैबिटेट्स ऑफ एनिमल्स. सो एनिमल्स कहाँ पे रहते हैं, मैं ये आपको इस टेबल में आंसर बताऊंगी, but still you can try it by yourself also. Let's have a look. Animals lives in burrows. तो कौन कौन से एनिमल्स हैं जो बरो में रहते हैं? Which are the animals they lives in burrow? Let's have a look. Rabbit, mouse, ant, snake. So you have to write over here. But make sure there are many more animals lives in burrow. We have only listed the 4 one. Then let's see which animals lives in nest. They are dove, crow, crane, sparrow. Still many birds are there who lives in nest. You can list it down by yourself. Let's have a look in this portion. The animals lives in house. Yes, can you able to answer? Let's have a look. Spider, cat, lizard, cockroach. Still Many are there. You can list it down by yourself. Lives in water. Fish, frog, tortoise, crocodile. I will repeat the same sentence that many more are there who lives in the water. We have listed only 4 over here. You can write it down by yourself also. So here we have done a quick recovery of part 1 portion. Now let's go further. Can you able to see over here? Can you able to read? Let's read. Recollect and write. So we have to collect the information and we have to write it down over here. The animals can fly. Oh my god, there are so many animals that can fly. Oh, can animal fly? No. There are so many birds they can fly. So you have to make sure that animals they cannot fly, birds they can fly. Let's have a look which birds can fly. Obviously, every bird can fly, but we have to list it down over here which bird you knows, right? Let's have some birds we know. Sparrow, crow, pigeon. Right? There are many birds. You can also list it down by yourself. Now this one you have to do it by yourself. Animals they can walk. Yes, horse, cow, goat, buffalo. Oh my god, there are so many animals. Okay, so which you know, you need to write it down over here. Let's have a look on the third portion. Can crawl. The animals can crawl. Snake, lizard, worm. Still, many more are there. You can write it down and list it down over here. The animals that can hop. Hop yani ki jump karna. Right? Frog, rabbit, kangaroo. Still, many more are there. You can write which you know. Okay, can you able to read over here one note? Children love to look at the colors, shapes and movements of the animals and listen to the sounds. आप सबको पसंद है ना उनके डिफरेंट कलर्स यानी कि पीकॉक के कलर देन शेप्स ऑफ द एनिमल्स देन मूवमेंट्स ऑफ द एनिमल
और उनकी आवाज़ भी आपको बहुत पसंद है, राइट? दे एन्जॉय इमिटेटिंग देम टू. नाउ व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय इमिटेटिंग? इमिटेटिंग का मतलब है उसको फॉलो करना, राइट? अनुकरण करना. सो आपको वैसे जैसे पता है बंदर की एक्टिंग करनी बहुत ही पसंद है, राइट? कभी कभी आप बंदर जैसे ही बंदर बन जाते हो. सो दे एन्जॉय इमिटेटिंग देम टू. Looking at the diversity in the animal world and putting them under different groups is the beginning of classification. आपको पता है ये क्लासिफिकेशन यानी कि एनिमल्स में भी मैमल्स होते हैं, रेप्टाइल्स होते हैं. सो एनिमल वर्ल्ड बहुत ही बड़ी है और उसको हमने क्लासिफिकेशन के फॉर्म में डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स किए हैं, राइट? उसको क्लासीफाई किया है डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स के फॉर्म में. सो दिस इज़ द सिंपल नोट ओवर हियर. Let's go for the further section. Have a tail, right? कौन से एनिमल्स को टेल होती है? You have to write it down in the box. Dog, cat, donkey, buffalo भी हैं, cow भी हैं, right? जो आपको पसंद है और जो आप जानते हो, you have to write it down. Then the animals that have horns: cow, buffalo, ox. Many more are there. The animals which you know, you need to write it down. Then walk on the wall. Oh my god, I'm scared of one animal, one reptile which walk on the wall. Which one is that? Lizard. So lizard एंट, ब्लैक एंट और अ लार्ज एंट, यानी कि मकोड़ा जो बोलते हैं ना उसको. ओके, नाउ लुक एट ओवर हियर. एनिमल्स लिव इन डिफरेंट प्लेसेस, राइट. एनिमल अलग अलग जगह पे रहते हैं, ऐसे नहीं होता है कि एक ही जगह पे रहते हैं. Some animals live on the tree, some in water, some live on the land, some live under the ground, and some fly in the sky. Some animals even live in our houses. So there are animals lives in the different places like trees, water, land, underground, then some fly in the sky, and some of them live in our houses. Now, let's have a look in our activity. First of all, read this note. Red color. At those who drink water by the help of the tongue. So you have to fill red color over here, in which the animals who drink water by the help of the tongue. And you have to fill green color at those who drink water by the help of the lips. Now, I can tell you one thing for this. So, this is very good note also, that द हर्बीवरस एनिमल्स, हर्बीवरस यानी कि जो शाकाहारी एनिमल होते हैं वो हर्बीवरस, राइट. वो हमेशा टंग से पानी पीते हैं, राइट. द हर्बीवरस एनिमल्स ड्रिंक वाटर by the help of the tongue, and the omnivorous and the carnivorous animals, they drink water by the help of the lips, right. So this is the easy identification without any confusion. Let's start with the activity. One is done over here. So look at over here. You can see the difference which I have told you, that the herbivorous animals, they drink water with the help of the tongue, and the omnivorous and carnivorous animals, they drink water with the help of the lips, right. Now, so you can able to see the picture of the animals over here, right. So what we have to do, we have to color red for the animals who drink water by the help of the tongue, and we have to color green for the animals who drink water by the help of the lips. You just make sure, which I have told you, that the herbivorous animals, they use tongue, and the omnivorous and carnivorous animals, they use lips. Herbivorous यानी कि green leafy vegetables जो खाते हैं वो, and omnivorous and carnivorous is, omnivorous is जो मीट खाते हैं वो, एंड कार्निवरस वो कौन है, जो दोनों खाते हैं वो, राइट. काउ. So you have to color green, right, because it use lips to drink water. Monkey, you have to color green because it use lips to drink water. Dog, you have to color red because it use tongue to drink water. Deer, you have to color green because it use lips to drink water. Buffalo, you have to color green because it use lips to drink water. Red, you have to color lion, right? You have to color red because it use tongue to drink water. Donkey, green color because it use lips to drink water. Goat, green color because it use lips to drink water. Cat, red color because it use tongue to drink water. Elephant, green color because it use its lips. Tiger, red color because it use tongue. Fox, red color because it use tongue. So kids, you can identify by the note which I have given herbivorous, omnivorous and carnivorous. So that will be the easy one to identify the animals. Okay, in next session we will look further. Thank you for joining us.